Hello world. Welcome to Python Machine Learning on the Edge. Machine countdown begins. 0987654321.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hello world. Welcome to RoboThought Zero to Hero series Python machine learning on the edge. Alright guys, we are on lesson number 6, creating NumPy arrays for machine learning. Right, how do we do that? Well, I did show you in the previous lessons, but I would like to insist upon a couple of things, like the array object in NumPy is also called as ndarray. We can basically create NumPy ndarray object by using the array function with an open bracket and a close bracket, which is a function, right? So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's a pretty simple and small example so that you guys get hands-on into the stuffs what I am trying to do. Alright guys, that's the objective of Zero to Hero series, right? Now let's get into our Jetson Nano. I am already logged in and I am going to show you how this particular function works. Let's say import, one second, import, and the import is already in there. What's happening to my system? Hold on a second guys. Import, just give me a minute. Alright, import. Now what we can do, import NumPy as np. Alright, NumPy as np as alias. Now array equals to np dot array and then a curly bracket and a square bracket for the list 1 2 3 4 5. All right, and now what we need to do, hit enter, print array, which is our arr, and then print the type. All right, print curly bracket, not the curly bracket. Okay, you need to put type. Guys, I showed you this in the Python series. I hope you remember Python on Jetson Nano, Zero to Hero. So if you remember, if you recall those lessons, you will understand this. Type arr. Okay, arr. And now let's run this program and see what happens. Let me just enlarge the screen. Okay, now let's run this program. Sometimes the system gets hung. That is my Jetson Nano, which happens because we are running pretty complex packages. All right, right click, run Python file in terminal. Okay, there you go. So apart from showing the array as 1 2 3 4 5, it also shows the class, right? That is your nd array. How to, you already defined the type and it shows the class, right? Now what we can do is, let me show you another example. Okay, say let's see, one second. So for example, in the type which we typed, right, the type, the built-in, this particular built-in Python function tells us the type of the object which is passed into it, right? And like the previous lesson which I showed you, how you are importing the stuff and putting the array inside the square bracket, similar way in this particular code it shows that the array is a numpy.ndarray type. Alright, that's the type. That's how you can see the color actually changes, right, in the IDE. right? So to create an ND array, we can also pass a list, a tuple or an array like object into this particular section, right? Into the particular method, right? That's also called as method, and it will be converted into an array. So let me show you another example so that you can understand how clearly the tuple works actually, right? Let me kill this program. Okay, let's say let this import as np, let it be as it is, let the array 1 2 3 4 5 let it be as it is, and then what we can do is print. If we say just print array, let's say what happens. Run Python file in terminal. Oops. Okay, now you can see it just prints out 1 2 3 4 5. It doesn't print the class and the object, right? So that's the difference. I want to actually show you guys practically how it works. Alright guys, so that's it for this particular lesson, and I am going to get more deeper and deeper. Guys, don't get bugged because I am just creating very short videos, less than 5 minutes. That's because I want you guys, to be a masters with the basics and the foundation. Remember guys, this is a zero to hero series. That means a person who does not have any knowledge about programming and Python and the libraries and stuff, that's it. This is the series. That's the objective. That's the goal for anyone to build their skills from bottom up. Alright guys, I am going to be back soon in the next video. See you until then.